Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating history of Earth. From its fiery beginnings to the rise of human civilization, let's explore the incredible journey of our planet. Today you may be sitting comfortably watching this video, but billions of years ago, the spot where you sit was recovering from temperatures of 8,500 degrees Celsius or was covered in ice for millions of years. Our planet has gone through unimaginable changes to become the life-sustaining world we know. It's a story of cosmic collisions, volcanic eruptions, and the slow work of time. We're going on a journey through Earth's history, a story written in the very rocks beneath our feet. In the region where our solar system exists, there were clouds of gas and dust. Scientists believe a star existed far from these clouds. Picture this, a vast, dark cloud of gas and dust, a nebula adrift in the cosmos. Gravity, that invisible force, began to pull everything together. Over time, the energy of that star began to decrease, eventually leading to a massive explosion. This explosion, a supernova, sent shock waves through space. Those shock waves carried not just energy, but the seeds of life. These waves compressed the dust and gas in our nebula, causing it to collapse further. This is where our story begins. Hydrogen and helium gathered at the center, and due to pressure, an explosion occurred, leading to the formation of our sun. Imagine the incredible forces at play: pressure and heat, atoms fusing rapidly, and from this maelstrom, our sun ignited, flooding space with light and warmth. Due to gravity, heavier particles near the sun started revolving around it. Collisions formed planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Our solar system, once a chaotic cloud, began to take shape. These were fiery, molten worlds bombarded by asteroids and comets, finding their place in the cosmic dance. A planet named Theia, which once revolved between Earth and Mars, was drawn closer to Earth due to gravity. This led to a massive collision, causing parts of Earth to spread into space and form the Moon. Imagine a young Earth struck by an object the size of Mars. The energy released, the sheer violence, is almost unimaginable. Yet from this cosmic catastrophe, our Moon was born, shaping Earth's destiny. During this time, Earth had one ocean boiling at 1,958 degrees Celsius. Gradually, Earth cooled down. Imagine a world where the air could melt rock, where the surface was a churning, molten sea. But even in this hellscape, change was coming. Water vapor from eruptions began to collect in the atmosphere. Heavier elements like metals and radioactive substances sank into Earth's core, while lighter materials formed the surface. Rain, meteoroids, and minerals cooled Earth's surface over millions of years. The Earth's crust, a thin, rocky shell, began to solidify. It was a time of incredible geological upheaval, with continents forming, breaking apart, and colliding again in a slow, relentless dance. In deep-sea hydrothermal vents, the first microorganisms began to form. Imagine the early oceans, dark, under immense pressure. Near volcanic vents spewing chemicals, life began. Not complex life, but single-celled organisms, simple yet important. These were our ancestors, pioneers of life on Earth. The Earth's core remained hot, leading to volcanic eruptions that eventually created land masses. Volcanoes, once harbingers of destruction, were now architects of life. They spewed gases into the atmosphere, forming the air we breathe. From the molten rock they ejected, new land masses arose, islands in the vast primordial ocean. Around 2.5 billion years ago, microorganisms evolved that produced oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen started to build up in the atmosphere. This was a pivotal moment in Earth's history. These tiny organisms were changing the planet's atmosphere. Oxygen, toxic to many early life forms, began to accumulate, setting the stage for a dramatic transformation. As oxygen increased, the Earth's atmosphere began to form. Oxygen levels continued to rise, spreading life across the planet. The sky, once hazy reddish-brown, turned blue as the atmosphere filled with oxygen. This oxygen, toxic to some life forms, allowed for the evolution of complex oxygen-breathing organisms. Around 3 billion years ago, Earth experienced a massive ice age where the entire planet was covered in ice. Imagine a world encased in ice from pole to pole, a shining white snowball reflecting sunlight back into space. This was Earth's fate during the snowball Earth period. It was a time of great challenge for life, but life is remarkably resilient. Volcanic eruptions warmed the planet, melting the ice. Microorganisms evolved, using oxygen to develop into complex life forms. During snowball Earth, volcanoes erupted, spewing greenhouse gases. These gases trapped heat, warming the planet, melting ice, and setting the stage for life. Around 470 million years ago, the first plants like moss appeared on land, followed by larger plants and trees. Life began to colonize the land, starting with mosses and liverworts, then ferns, and eventually forests of towering trees, drawing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, shaping the planet we call home. Earth's land masses merged into one supercontinent known as Pangaea. Imagine a world with a single, giant landmass surrounded by a vast ocean. Pangaea eventually broke apart to form the continents we know today. Plate tectonics constantly reshaped the Earth's surface. Around 200 million years ago, dinosaurs dominated the land, sea, and sky. The age of dinosaurs. These magnificent creatures, some small, some larger than any land animal today, ruled the Earth for millions of years. They walked the same Earth we walk, yet their world was vastly different from ours. The collision between the Indian subcontinent and the Asian landmass formed the Himalayas. Majestic peaks that pierce the sky are born of incredible forces. The Himalayas, the highest mountain range, stand as a testament to plate tectonics, a slow-motion collision that continues today. About 65 million years ago, a massive asteroid larger than Mount Everest struck Earth. The impact was equivalent to 100 million nuclear bombs, leading to the extinction of the dinosaurs, a cataclysmic event that forever changed life on Earth. An asteroid 6 miles wide hit the Yucatan Peninsula, triggering earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires. The impact threw debris into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and causing global cooling that wiped out the dinosaurs. Small mammals survived by living underground. Over time, these mammals evolved into primates. Life, tenacious and resourceful, found ways to survive. Our mammalian ancestors adapted and thrived in the post-apocalyptic world. As Earth's climate changed, primates began walking on 2 legs, evolving into early humans, spreading across the planet, adapting to different environments. Then a remarkable chapter began, the rise of Homo sapiens from Africa. We spread globally, our brains growing, tools more sophisticated, our impact on the planet profound. Over time, humans developed tools, language, culture, and societies, becoming the most advanced species on Earth. We built cities, explored the oceans and the stars, created art, music, and literature. We became the dominant species on Earth, shaping the planet to our will. But with this power comes responsibility. To understand our place in the web of life and protect the fragile planet we call home. Humans have significantly altered the Earth's environment, contributing to climate change and rising carbon dioxide levels. Scientists believe a major transformation is on the horizon. Our actions, from the Industrial Revolution to today, have profoundly impacted the planet. We are altering ecosystems and pushing species towards extinction. The consequences will reverberate for generations. What will the future hold for Earth? Will we thrive, or will our actions lead to our undoing? The answers are still being written. But one thing is certain, the story of Earth is not over. It's a story still unfolding, a story we are all part of. The choices we make today will determine our planet's fate and the future of life as we know it. From the fiery birth of our planet to the rise of human civilization, we've covered billions of years. But this is just the beginning. Join us next time as we delve into the cosmos and explore the wonders of our universe. If you think that our content is helpful and informative, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.